Now let us take another example, and which is if the area enclosed by the curves fx equals cos inverse of cos x and gx equals sin inverse of cos x when x belongs to 9 pi by 4 to 15 pi by 4 is a pi square upon b, then we need to find the value of a minus b. Now this function cos inverse of cos x, it is a standard function and we know how to draw the graph of cos inverse of cos x. So we'll draw this graph. So this is 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. So this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi, and here this value is pi. Now this function cos inverse of cos x, it is a periodic function with fundamental period 2 pi. Now we'll draw the graph of sin inverse of cos x. Now we know that sin inverse x is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So we can write this is pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x. So basically graph of gx is pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x. So we'll draw the graph of gx. Now here our basic graph is cos inverse of cos x. First we'll draw the graph of y equals minus cos inverse of cos x. So it will be this graph 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and here this value will be minus pi, and then we'll take the transformation y minus pi by 2 equals minus cos inverse of cos x. Now y minus pi by 2 means we have to shift this entire graph pi by 2 units along positive y-axis. Now we shift this graph pi by 2 units along positive y-axis, we'll get this graph as this. So this is 0, it'll be pi by 2, this is pi, 2 pi, and here it will be pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. So that is the graph of sin inverse of cos x. So we'll draw the graph of sin inverse of cos x. So this is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. That is the graph of y equals sin inverse of cos x. Now this is minus pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. Now this function again, it is a periodic function with the period 2 pi. Now we need to find area between these two graphs in the interval 9 pi by 4 to 15 pi by 4. Now we can actually write 9 pi by 4 as 2 pi plus pi by 4, and we can write 15 pi by 4 as 2 pi plus 7 pi by 4. Now since both the functions, they are periodic with the period 2 pi, so what we'll actually do is, rather than solving this function from 9 pi by 4 to 15 pi by 4, we'll find this area from pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, which is from this point pi by 4, and 7 pi by 4 is 2 pi minus pi by 4, so which is this point. So we'll need to find this area. Now this point here is 7 pi by 4. This again is pi by 4. This value is pi. So this height is pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. And here this height, it will be pi by 2 plus pi by 4, which again is 3 pi by 4. So this required area, it will be 1 by 2 and then length of the base. Length of the base is 7 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, which is 6 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 2, into this height, which is 3 pi by 4, and plus half. Now again, length is 3 pi by 2 and height again is 3 pi by 4. So this area, it will be 9 pi square by 8. So comparing with the given value of A is 9 and value of B is 8, then the value of A minus B is simply 1, and that is the answer to this question.